If you have been thinking about adding more veggies to your meals or just want to have some fun in the kitchen, a vegetable spiralizer might be exactly what you need. These handy gadgets can turn ordinary vegetables into spiral shapes, making them perfect for creating things like zoodles, curly fries, and salad garnishes. Spiralizers have become quite popular, and there are so many options available now that it can be a bit overwhelming to pick the right one. In this video, I'll talk about the 5 best vegetable spiralizers for 2024. I'll go over their features, how easy they are to use, and what makes each one stand out. I've made sure to include something for everyone, whether you're looking for a budget option or the latest in spiralizing technology. And remember, links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Full-Star Mandolin Spiralizer. If you are looking for best compact spiralizer, then this is the perfect choice. Weighing just 231 grams, this lightweight spiralizer is designed to fit in any kitchen space without taking up too much room. Its small size doesn't compromise its functionality, as it offers 4 different spiralizing options to help you create a variety of healthy meals. Whether you're making zoodles, vegetable pasta, or beautiful garnishes, this spiralizer makes it easy to switch between tasks with just the push of a button. One of the standout features of this spiralizer is its emphasis on safety. The stainless steel blades are incredibly sharp, which is why the spiralizer is equipped with a non-slip finger guard to protect users from potential cuts. This design not only ensures user safety, but also maximizes the yield of your produce by minimizing waste. Additionally, this spiralizer comes with a removable container to catch freshly sliced vegetables, making meal prep mess-free and efficient. For those concerned about cleanup, this spiralizer is a breeze to maintain. Unlike larger units that can be cumbersome to clean, this spiralizer can be fully disassembled, and every component is dishwasher safe, making it a hassle-free addition to your kitchen. The convenience of storage and ease of use make this spiralizer a practical tool for anyone looking to incorporate more vegetables into their diet without the fuss of complicated cleanup. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Spiralizer. This spiralizer is an excellent choice for best electric spiralizer to quickly and effortlessly create healthy meals. This model comes with 3 cutting cones, allowing users to transform whole fruits and vegetables into spaghetti, linguine, or ribbon-shaped noodles. The large 6-cup bowl is perfect for preparing family-sized portions, making it an ideal choice for meal preppers and those who frequently cook for larger groups. A significant advantage of this spiralizer is its ability to handle whole foods without the need for pre-cutting. The large 2.5-inch round chute accommodates vegetables like zucchini, squash, and cucumbers, eliminating the prep work that can often be a hassle with other spiralizers. The device's metal food prep securely holds food in place while the motor does the work, so there's no need for manual hand cranking. This feature is especially beneficial for those with limited hand strength or those who want to save time and effort in the kitchen. Cleaning this spiralizer is also straightforward. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and a cleaning brush is included for quick cleanup of the cutting cones if you prefer to wash by hand. This ease of maintenance, combined with the electric motor's power, makes this spiralizer a time-saving tool for anyone looking to incorporate more vegetables into their meals with minimal effort. Number 3. OXO Good Grip Spiralizer. This spiralizer is a highly versatile and user-friendly option for best manual spiralizer. With 3 stainless steel blades that offer different cuts, spaghetti, fettuccine, and ribbon cuts, this spiralizer is perfect for creating a variety of dishes, from curly fries and salads to decorative garnishes. This spiralizer's rotating handle design allows for easy turning of fruits and vegetables, while a side handle advances them through the blades, making spiralizing a breeze. One of the standout features of this spiralizer is its stability. The strong-hold suction cup keeps the unit securely in place on your countertop, preventing slipping and ensuring safe operation. The food holder, equipped with sharp teeth, holds produce securely while you spiralize, ensuring consistent results and minimizing waste. Additionally, the removable blade box keeps blades clean, safe, and organized when not in use, adding to the overall convenience and safety of this spiralizer. Designed with ease of use in mind, this spiralizer is also easy to clean. All parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup after use quick and hassle-free. The compact storage design allows the side handle to fold up, saving valuable kitchen space. With its combination of versatility, safety, and user-friendly design, this spiralizer is an excellent choice for those who want a reliable manual spiralizer in their kitchen. Number 2. Briefton's 7-Blade Spiralizer. This one stands out as best versatile and durable kitchen tool, perfect for anyone looking to explore a wide range of spiralizing options. This model features 7 interchangeable Japanese stainless steel blades, allowing you to create everything from 2mm angel hair julienne noodles to 12mm pappardelle, ribbons, and wavy crinkle chips. Its innovative design not only provides a broad range of cutting styles, but also ensures that all components can be stored neatly as a single unit, making it a space-saving addition to your kitchen. Durability is a key feature of this spiralizer. Constructed from 100% BPA-free, reinforced ABS plastic, this spiralizer is strong enough to handle even the toughest vegetables, such as butternut squash and sweet potatoes. The supersized, foolproof suction pad with an easy-on/off lever ensures the spiralizer stays firmly in place on your countertop during use, providing a stable and safe spiralizing experience. Additionally, the catch container and keep fresh lid help to keep your freshly spiralized veggies organized and ready for storage. This spiralizer also comes with a comprehensive bundle, including an extra caddy for safe blade storage, a printed user manual, an online guide with demo videos, and 4 exclusive digital cookbooks filled with delicious recipes. This added value makes it easy to get started with new spiralizing ideas and maintain a healthy diet, even if you're new to spiralizing. With its robust construction, extensive blade options, and thoughtful design, this spiralizer is ideal for those looking to maximize their spiralizing potential. Number 1. KitchenAid Spiralizer. This spiralizer earns its title as the best overall spiralizer thanks to its premium construction, versatile capabilities, and seamless integration with KitchenAid stand mixers. Made from polished aluminum, this spiralizer attachment is built to last, offering a durable and high-performance option for any kitchen. With 5 quick-change blades, users can easily switch between spiralizing, slicing, and peeling tasks, providing a wide range of creative possibilities with fresh ingredients. What sets this spiralizer apart is its ability to connect directly to any household KitchenAid stand mixer power hub, leveraging the mixer's motor for power. This unique feature not only makes the spiralizing process more efficient, but also ensures stability and ease of use. The attachment's premium metal construction enhances durability, while the design provides easy access and simple storage for the spiralizer and its accessories. Cleaning and maintenance are also straightforward with this spiralizer. All blades are top-rack dishwasher safe, and the attachment body can be easily wiped clean with a warm, damp cloth. The included storage case helps keep all components organized and readily accessible, further enhancing the convenience of this spiralizer. With its superior build quality, extensive functionality, and seamless integration with existing kitchen appliances, this spiralizer is the ideal choice for those seeking the best in performance and versatility. And there you have it, the best vegetable spiralizers of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your journey toward healthier eating, these spiralizers are the perfect tools to add a fun twist to your meals and inspire creativity in the kitchen. From creating zoodles to crafting colorful salads, these gadgets will revolutionize the way you enjoy vegetables. Ready to snag your favorite spiralizer? Make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow foodies, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy spiralizing!